Plant FAQs. Aglaonema rotundum. Aglaonema rotundum. Unveiling the beauty of the roundish gem. Hi, Ferbu here, and today we're diving into the world of the Aglaonema rotundum, a captivating houseplant prized for its elegance and resilience. This guide will answer your burning questions about this round-leaved wonder, making you a rotundum pro in no time. See more 26 species in genus Aglaonema at monsteraholic.com. What is an Aglaonema rotundum? The Aglaonema rotundum is a tropical gem belonging to the Araceae family, sharing kinship with popular houseplants like pothos and philodendrons. Hailing from the shady understories of Southeast Asia, this beauty thrives indoors with proper care. Key characteristics. Rounded leaves. As the name suggests, rotundum means roundish in Latin. This plant boasts stunning, deep green, oval-shaped leaves with a slightly pointed tip. Veined beauty. The foliage is further adorned with captivating pink or white veins, adding a touch of vibrancy to its lush greenery. Compact growth habit. Unlike its sprawling cousins, the rotundum forms a lovely, compact clump, making it ideal for smaller spaces. Aglaonema rotundum versus other Aglaonema varieties. The world of Aglaonemas is vast, offering a kaleidoscope of colors and patterns. Here's a quick comparison to help you distinguish the rotundum. Aglaonema silver bay showcases stunning silver variegations on its leaves, contrasting beautifully with the green. Aglaonema red emerald features vibrant red shades splashed across its foliage, adding a fiery touch to your space. Aglaonema Siam aurora boasts a stunning combination of green, pink, and cream, creating a truly mesmerizing display. Compared to these flashier varieties, the rotundum offers a more understated elegance. Its charm lies in its deep green, subtly patterned leaves and its compact, manageable size. How to care for Aglaonema rotundum. The rotundum is a low-maintenance houseplant, perfect for busy plant parents. Here's how to keep your gem thriving. Light, bright, indirect sunlight is ideal. Avoid harsh, direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Overwatering is a major enemy, so err on the side of underwatering. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Opt for a blend specifically formulated for aeroids or houseplants. Humidity. Moderate humidity levels are appreciated. Grouping plants together or using a pebble tray filled with water can help create a more humid environment. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced, diluted fertilizer applied once a month can give your plant a boost. Remember, consistency is key. Providing your rotundum with consistent light, watering, and humidity will keep it happy and healthy. Common issues and how to fix them. Even the most dedicated plant parent can encounter occasional issues. Here's how to troubleshoot common problems with your rotundum. Leaf browning. This can be caused by overwatering, underwatering, or exposure to harsh sunlight. Adjust your watering schedule and check light conditions. Drooping leaves. This is often a sign of underwatering. Give your plant a thorough drink and allow the excess water to drain. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites can occasionally become a nuisance. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil to treat infestations. Early detection is key. Regularly inspect your plant to identify issues promptly and address them effectively. Propagating your Aglaonema rotundum. Sharing the roundish love. The rotundum readily multiplies, allowing you to create a mini forest of these beauties. Here are 2 common propagation methods. Stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem section with at least 1 node, leaf junction. Plant it in a moist, well-draining potting mix and maintain consistent moisture. Division. When repotting a mature plant, you can carefully divide it into sections, ensuring each division has healthy roots and foliage. Repot each section in individual pots. Patience is a virtue. Propagating takes time, so don't expect instant results. With proper care and a little patience, you'll be rewarded with new rotundums to grace your home. Conclusion. The enduring allure of the Aglaonema rotundum. The Aglaonema rotundum is a captivating houseplant that combines elegance with ease of care. Its lush, rounded leaves and subtle veining create a tranquil ambience, making it a perfect addition to any space. With a gentle touch and the information provided here, you can ensure your rotundum thrives for years to come.